your leave, ladies and gentlemen, we will act a sporting play to show you fine diversion before we go away. 'Tis room, room, brave gallant boys, give us room to rhyme, to show you fine diversion this merry Christmas time. 'Tis room, room, give us room to sport, for the Black Dog is the place we wish to resort. To make fun and repeat our pretty rhymes, remember folks, 'tis Christmas time. 'Tis Christmas time.
And we appear
To act our Christmas merrily here, and bid you health and all good cheer, and wish you well for the coming year.
For we are the merry actors
who travel the streets.
We are the merry actors
who fight for our meat.
We are the merry actors
who show pleasant play. Enter in St. Patrick, clear the way.
I am St. Patrick, and boldly do appear. And St. Mackle, he's a friend so very dear. Step forth, St. Mackle, thy sword in hand, to act thy part, and show to all this company a specimen of art.
I am Mackled of Man, my father's gallant son, and many are the deeds that nobly I have won, in many a rugged region and far and distant shore. And here I am at Christmas time to show myself once more. Show me the foe that dares to stand, and they shall fall by my right hand. I challenge dukes and lords to fight, and the best of them, I'll show them flight.
What empty boast! As though you shall eat on your toast.
What art thou? Bird or beast? I'll clip thy claws, I certainly shall.
I am an English champion! From English land came! I come to fight the valiant knight, Zimach, that's what they call his name. And if they call thee, then let thy courage be stout or bold. If thy heart's blood is hot, I'll surrender it cold.
Slasho, don't speak so hot. Little thou knowest the man thou'st got. From off thy shoulder thy head I'll lop, and soon I'll stop. No, and soon their foul mouth I'll stop. Got it. Right, let's go. The tip of my sword! It's broke! How shall I fight?
I've heard that joke before tonight.
Oh, mortal stars and skies of blue, I never was in such a stew. Oh, skies of blue and mortal stars, come on, Macman, make this day ours. He is the man in the hour of need, a champion to avenge this deed.
Ho ho, Sir King, what is your need? I am the man to do the deed.
Step in, Macman, thy sword in hand, and smite this villain to the heart.
He asked me to fight. Why should I deny? He cut my coat. So full of rents, I made the buttons fly.
I'll try the metal off thy race. I'll cut a splinter from thy face. And if thou doth another word against my master say, clean through thou yellow belly, I'll make an open way.
They fight. legs were made of pipe shanks, so soon to snap. And you! And that's all, my man. Rather quit, I feel. Run through the body by your sword's good steel. Pretty for Dr. Raw. For Parson George, wait a second. Will be. No more.
A doctor, is there a doctor to be found that can cure these men and raise them from the ground?
Why, yes, there is a doctor to be found that can cure these men and raise them from the ground.
And from whence come ye?
From France, from Spain, from Rome I came. I've travelled all parts to earn my fame. I've travelled nights, I've travelled days. I've spent hours and hours circling above Ronald's Way.
And what can you cure?
All sorts of diseases, whatever you pleases. All pains within, all pains without. The plague, the palsy, and the gout. The itch, the stitch, and the mollygrubs. I can cure all such deeds. All big-bellied maids and like such jades. In fact, I would pledge my life. I can cure your lonely wife.
Ooh. And what's your fee?
Oh, well, £20 is my fee, but triple that in this economy.
What medicine do you carry?
All sorts of things I can administer, though I can't tell you who's the current health minister. But I have in my bag, somewhere, a little bottle of Rixum, Raxum, Prixum, Praxum, and a high cockalory. This one?
This one.
This one. A little drop to the nose, a little drop to the brain. Rise up, St. Mackled, and fight again. Oh, do you need a hand?
I do have to fight. Oh, terrible. The way I've not been seen. Up the 7 senses and out of 17. Up to 17 and out of 7 score. Oh, horrible, terrible, the like were ne'er before. It wasn't by a bull, not by a bear, but by a little dibble off a rabbit there.
This one.
Go on then. It
You
is
can leave her there for hours. Right, here we go. A little drop to the nose. A little drop to the brain. Rise up, St. George, and fight again.
It's kind of a rough tough coming up like a fly. Up the 7 stairs and down the lofty sky. My head is made of iron. My body's made of steel. My legs are made of pipe shanks. I'll cause you all to yield.
We are all brothers. Why should we be through others? After this squabble, our hands let us join and let us dine.
To a good meal, I would not object.
A mulled wine in the Black Dog. Now that sounds correct.
Then here's success to all brave boys of stout and gallant heart. In battlefields and banquet halls, prepare to play a part. We handle well with knife and fork, likewise with sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. With hostile bands confronted to fight, we are not slack. With roast beef and pudding, we make a stout attack. We handle well with knife and fork, likewise with sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year.
just great. This year I was going to give it all to motivate. Good folks, if you pity my failure, please give generously into the pail there. Thank you very much, and now